I'm Ryan Miller, Vice Chair for the Council for the Advancement of Higher Education Programs, and I'm honored to introduce the recipient for this year's Barbara Townsend Lecture Award. This award recognizes a lecturer and lecturer focused on community colleges, feminist studies, doctoral education, or higher education programs. This year's recipient is Dr. Crystal Chambers. Dr. Chambers is Professor of Educational Leadership at East Carolina University, with expertise in law and policy in higher education with a focus on race, gender, and intersectionality. Through her education policy expertise, she is adept at analyzing and addressing policy structures that reproduce systemic equity in higher education. She is a 2018 Carnegie Fellow for her work on rural student college choice and is co-PI on Thrive at ECU and an NSF Advanced Adaptation Grant. Her most recent books are Law and Social Justice in Higher Education and African American Rural Education, College Experiences and Post-Secondary Pathways. Dr. Chambers' Townsend Lecture is titled Climbing the Broken Ladder, Black Women and Executive Academic Leadership. Congratulations, Dr. Chambers.